Hi guys, it's Bubba Diecast here, and today we are going to do two Hot Wheels cars. This is the 2009 Corvette ZR1, and right there on the top it says faster than ever. And it says 2009 Corvette ZR1 number 135, and right there it has a copyright of 2008, and it's a 2009 release. And we got the Hot Bird. It's from Race World Volcano. It says it's number 208 out of 214. And the Corvette says 135 out of 166. Yep, it has a copyright of 2009, so this is a 2010 release, and it says number 208, 2010, Hot Bird. So, that'll be it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.